intro template for Alight Motion, which you can easily edit in Alight Motion. And I will edit and tell you how to edit this intro template. And the download file of the template is in the description, and the password of the template I will tell in the video by speaking. Let's open Alight Motion after importing the template. This is an intro template, so first of all let's see how to add the logo. Select the group with this logo, then click on Edit. Now from here you can replace logo directly, or you can add logo. And editing the text is also very easy. And the color of this background animation can be changed in multiple ways. Templates file is password 1305.